Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Download Equalizer Apo and the optional Piece GUI so you can edit profiles visually. Run the installer as administrator and immediately select your microphone device from the list. This attaches the APO to that input. Once installed, reboot or log off to activate the driver hook. Make sure the mic name in Windows Sound matches what you selected. Otherwise, the APO will not process audio, which is a common mismatch. Now you configure practical filters. Open the Equalizer Apo config editor or Piece GUI and create a profile tied to your mic. Add a preamp to control overall level, then insert parametric EQ bands to tame harsh frequencies and a gentle compressor to control peaks. Route processing so APO runs before any software-based noise suppression or automatic gain control. That preserves EQ decisions. Once done, test with voice recordings, adjusting Q and gain to keep levels clean without clipping. Finish by saving and activating your profile, then monitor live input to fine-tune. Make small adjustments. Big jumps mask problems. If you see no change, reopen the configuration editor to confirm the mic is still selected. Reinstall Equalizer Apo for that device and reboot. Mismatched device names are the usual culprit. Finally, check other apps for DSP or additional EQ so you avoid double processing. Disable app-level filters if they conflict, and retest to ensure the mic sounds consistent and loud without distortion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.